Video number 9. Using Facebook Live Video for your YouTube channel. So how can you use Facebook Live Video for your YouTube channel? Check out a few of our favorite ways to make Facebook's live video streaming feature work for you. Facebook recently rolled out a feature that's actually a very exciting opportunity for YouTube vloggers. With Facebook Live, you can create a live streaming video that's broadcasted to your Facebook page audience as you film. 1. Host a question and answer stream. Basically, you'll promote the Facebook Live video stream by letting your audience know when to log in and watch, and then during the stream you can answer questions that they ask in the page comments section. 2. Create live vlogs for your audience. You can also use Facebook Live to create real-time vlogs that are related to your channel but won't show up with any of your content on YouTube. This is a great way to get more of your YouTube channel's viewers to follow you on Facebook. 3. Collaborate with other vloggers on Facebook Live Video. Collaboration is always a great way to grow your YouTube channel and bring more value to your audience, and it's a particularly great idea for Facebook Live. You could do any number of types of live videos together, and cross-promote them on your Facebook pages, so you'll both get more exposure than you would on your own. 4. Take viewers behind the scenes. You can take your viewers through the items you'll be using, which products you'll be reviewing, and/or other topics and products that you'll be discussing in your vlog. It's a great teaser that can help build buzz before your YouTube content is uploaded, and it's live and interactive, so it's a lot of fun for your audience. These are just 4 of the many ways that we believe vloggers can use Facebook Live Video to interact with their YouTube channel's audience. Be creative, as there's a ton of different things you can do with the platform. Video number 10. Ideas for creating appealing Facebook Live video content. Facebook suggests a number of different ways to use Live. These are a few of the ones that are most relevant for brands. 1. Hot topics. When something's on everyone's minds, it can be worthwhile for your brand to dive into the conversation. Whether it's the holidays or the latest craze, it's crucial to only hop on board if what you have to say is relevant and useful. 2. Interviews and question and answers. All brands need to try out this format as a host, a willing and interesting guest, and a mobile phone or camera to broadcast with. The audience can join in and ask questions in the comments, making the experience interactive. 3. Breaking news. If you're a journalist, publisher, or other media organization, then you already know when and how to live stream breaking news. But for brands, it's a little different. 4. Performances and live events. Whether it's a conference or concert, Facebook Live Video is a good home for events. It opens up the experience to a wider audience, broadening the scope of your event. 5. Behind the scenes. Facebook Live Video takes things one step further by giving the audience the opportunity to interact, ask questions, and influence the direction of the broadcast in real time. 6. Demonstrations. Live video can be a great way to show off your products and how to use them. Whether they're cooking shows or a stream on how to properly iron a shirt, demo-style videos work well on the platform. 7. Announcements and campaign launches. Going live video for a big announcement or the launch of a campaign can be a good way to build anticipation for whatever it is you plan to tell your audience. 8. Series. If you have an engaged audience and it fits your marketing goals, one option to consider is creating a TV show-style broadcast that you run on a regular basis. 9. Feature stories. News outlets and other content creators can use live video as an option for telling digital stories. 10. Podcasts. One of the most effective ways we've seen people leveraging the power of live videos is to combine it with podcasting. By doing a simultaneous podcast taping and live video segment, you can reach a larger audience and add a visual element to the audio format. 11. Contests. Another fun way to create Facebook Live video content while encouraging fans to interact with your company is to create a contest or activity that people can participate via the commenting function on Facebook. There are plenty of ways to add Facebook Live video into your content strategy, and plenty of compelling reasons to do so. Video number 11. How can brands grow with Facebook Live? New ways to use streaming are popping up all the time. So how are companies using streaming video today successfully? Let's find out. 1. Have a plan, but don't produce. Brands are afraid of being imperfect. Ask your followers questions, listen, and then have them talk to you. People want to see who you really are. 2. Be willing to take some risks and trust others. The investment in people and ideas is more important than the technology, so invest in and empower your best internal and external brand ambassadors and storytellers. 3. Let your audience know you care. Tell your audience how much you value them in your streaming, and use these conversations to make your content better. Using live streaming to connect before you sell says to your audience, "We care about you." 4. Demonstrate business value for your audiences and biggest fans. Use streaming to create conversations, give customers important information, and highlight fans, partners, employees, and new technologies, and share the spotlight. 5. When you let go, have fun. It's also important to recognize that brands need to allow for spontaneity when the plan isn't working and you need to ditch the script. Plan, adjust, let go, and have fun in the moment. That's the real, human and conversational aspect of video. Brands that have difficulty letting go will struggle. Prepare, and then let go. There is no better, more human way to galvanize your champions, widen your reach, inform new content ideas, and find new ways to create valuable experiences that do not require a huge investment in technology or production. Streaming video is a powerful tool in the marketing toolbox. Are you ready? Your audiences are. Video number 11. How can brands grow with Facebook Live? New ways to use streaming are popping up all the time. So how are companies using streaming video today successfully? Let's find out. 1. Have a plan, but don't produce. Brands are afraid of being imperfect. Ask your followers questions, listen, and then have them talk to you. People want to see who you really are. 2. Be willing to take some risks and trust others. The investment in people and ideas is more important than the technology, so invest in and empower your best internal and external brand ambassadors and storytellers. 3. Let your audience know you care. Tell your audience how much you value them in your streaming, and use these conversations to make your content better. Using live streaming to connect before you sell says to your audience, "We care about you." 4. Demonstrate business value for your audiences and biggest fans. Use streaming to create conversations, give customers important information, and highlight fans, partners, employees, and new technologies, and share the spotlight. 5. When you let go, have fun. It's also important to recognize that brands need to allow for spontaneity when the plan isn't working and you need to ditch the script. Plan, adjust, let go, and have fun in the moment. That's the real, human and conversational aspect of video. Brands that have difficulty letting go will struggle. Prepare, and then let go. There is no better, more human way to galvanize your champions, widen your reach, inform new content ideas, and find new ways to create valuable experiences that do not require a huge investment in technology or production. Streaming video is a powerful tool in the marketing toolbox. Are you ready? Your audiences are. Video number 12. Monetizing Facebook Live. Getting started with ad breaks. Ad breaks are a new way for you to earn money from your Facebook Live broadcasts. Find out how ad breaks work, how to set them up, how to activate an ad break, and how to receive payments. Ad breaks. This feature allows you to take short breaks during your live video to run advertisements that are up to 15 seconds long. How it works. To set up ad breaks, you'll need to have at least 2,000 followers. You can take ad breaks during any live broadcast that has more than 300 people watching at the same time, after you've been live for at least 4 minutes. You can take additional ad breaks every 5 minutes after your first break. When you are ready to take an ad break, you can let your viewers know that you will be right back. Your camera will turn off, and a 10 or 15 second advertisement will play. Viewers will see a counter in the corner of their screen that notifies them when you will be coming back. After the ad is over, your viewers will return to your live video broadcast, and you may resume as usual. Getting set up with ad breaks. Once you are live in a video that is eligible for ad breaks, Facebook will send you a notification to let you know that you can set up ad breaks. It will appear in your notifications tab. You'll also see the new $ icon, that you'll tap to take ad breaks, which will appear white until you click it to get set up. Tapping on either of these messages will take you to our Getting Started screen. Setting up a payment account. If you already have a payment account on file, you'll get a notification screen that you are ready to take ad breaks after accepting the terms and conditions. If you do not have a payment account on file, you will be taken through a step-by-step flow to get set up. Process of setting up a payment account. Fill out your information after clicking on the Add Payment Account. Choose either PayPal or a bank account where you'd like to receive your earnings. After you have added a payment account, Facebook will ask for some additional information for tax purposes. Facebook will send a notification to your account with a link to verify your tax information. And you are set up. Taking an ad break during a live broadcast. After you've been live for 4 minutes, the ad break icon will turn on to let you know that you can take an ad break when you're ready. Take a few moments to let them know you will be breaking for a short ad, and that you will be back afterward. Once you begin the ad break, your camera will then turn off, and a short ad will play. Ad breaks are 20 seconds long, and a timer will let you know when to resume your broadcast. They will see a 10 or 15 second ad which contains a countdown timer to notify them when the ad break will be over. At the conclusion of the ad break, your viewers will see your broadcast resume. General guidelines. Live broadcasters who have received a copyright or community standards warnings or violation notices are not currently eligible to use the ad breaks feature. You can choose to go to ad break, or not to go to ad break, in any given broadcast. Viewers will not be able to skip or close the ad in your ad break. You will be able to exclude specific advertisers from showing up in your ad break, but you will not be able to choose the specific ads that will show with your video. If you do not sign up after your live broadcast is complete, you will get another prompt to set up ad breaks the next time that you go live. You will receive your first payment when you have earned more than $100 from ad breaks. General guidelines. After that, Facebook will pay you each month for all earnings accrued from live videos during the pay period, as well as earnings accrued from ad impressions generated on views of your previous live broadcasts. How to see your ad break earnings. Please follow these steps on desktop to make sure you have monetization insights turned on. Go to your Facebook page and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Monetization Insights located at the bottom and toggle the On button in the Access column. Note that the toggle is per page admin. Next, go back to your page and click on Insights, then Videos on the left-hand side to see your revenue. How to see detailed earnings per video. Go to your Facebook page and click on Insights, then Videos. You will see a Top Videos panel. In the Video column, click on the name of the video to bring up a video detail box. Click on Estimated Earnings to see more detailed info about where the earnings came from. Please note that enabling monetization insights is only available on desktop at this time. After completing the above steps, you are ready to get started with ad breaks. Go! Make money with Live. Video number 13. Tools Guide to Creating Engaging Facebook Live Broadcasts. Discover what you'll need to create your own Facebook Live broadcasts, ranging from free to professional options. Number 1. Start with your smartphone. Simply hold your smartphone the same way you'd take a selfie. Use the front camera so you can see the angle you're shooting from and read the comments. Shoot in landscape mode if you're on iOS. This won't make a difference during your broadcast. Don't scrape your hand across your phone's microphone. Number 2. Invest in a mobile phone setup. When deciding what gear you need, think about your viewer's experience when watching your live video. Use an external microphone to improve the audio experience on your streams. To eliminate distractions, attach a grip to your phone for stabilization. iPhone setup. When choosing the mount for an iPhone, consider the iOgrapher, $60. Attach the 37mm wide-angle lens, $40. If you want to get more people or surroundings in the video, you can improve lighting by using an external light source like the Godox LED light, $23. If you want to add an external microphone to your setup, the Rode VideoMic Go, $84, is a good option. You'll also need to get this cable, $15, to connect the microphone to the phone. For image stabilization, consider the Ravelli Pistol Grip Tripod, $64, which you can attach to the iOgrapher for hands-free operation. The Android phone setup. The Saramonic Smart Mixer, $149, fits any Android phone or iPhone and incorporates both audio and video stabilization in one piece of gear. Attach the Saramonic Smart Mixer to the Amazon Basics Pistol Grip Tripod for hands-free operation. Note, you can't use the Godox LED light with this setup. Number 3. Broadcast from your desktop. Going live from pre-recorded video, graphics, titles so people know who the hosts are, and more. Your computer allows you to bring in guests to interview. Logitech C920 webcam is a good alternative to your computer's built-in camera. Software options for broadcasting from desktop. UBS. UBS Open Broadcaster software is open source software, which means it's available for free. UBS is a great option, but it doesn't have all of the bells and whistles of paid software to make it intuitive or easy to use. You'll need to do a bit of setup and testing before you go live. Software options for broadcasting from desktop. Wirecast. Wirecast, $495, has been around for years. The software lets you add a custom look to your show and bring in guests. The interface is a little more intuitive than UBS, but still requires some setup and experimentation. Number 4. Build a dedicated studio setup. If you want to produce professional TV quality live streams, you'll need to invest in high-end equipment that offers more stability and options. This broadcast solution works well if you have a regular show, weekly or daily, are live streaming at an event, or want a TV quality live stream. You'll need to have someone act as the producer if you're in front of the camera. Do a Facebook Live broadcast solo. Yes, you can broadcast quality live video yourself. If you're using your mobile phone, invest in a tripod so you can set your camera and forget it. Focus on the content of the stream, not the gear. These 4 broadcast methods offer a solution to fit any budget and get you up and running on Facebook Live in no time. Video number 14. How to repurpose Facebook Live videos for marketing? Do you want more mileage out of your broadcasts? Reusing your Facebook Live video can help improve your impact and visibility. Want some creative ways to reuse the videos in your marketing? Then read on. 1. Upload to other video sites. Once you've got your MP4 file from Facebook, upload it to other video sites, like YouTube or Video. When you add your video to your YouTube channel, add in all your keyword-rich details to the description and tags. You can also use the YouTube video editor to polish up your video. 2. Create a Facebook Live video advert. At the moment, it's August 2016, Facebook is pushing video ad content really hard. You can expect a wider reach than traditional Facebook ad types, which means a lower CPM and more engagement. 3. Embed on your website. Use Facebook Embed Frame option. By default, Facebook lets you embed videos on third-party sites, like your own. Select the Embed option from the Video Options menu, and add the code to your site, to a blog post, for example. Viewers of the video on your website get added to a Facebook custom audience, so you can fire ads at them on Facebook. 4. Embed in your newsletter. Use Facebook Embed option. This is the same as option 3, but with the added bonus of making your email content much more interesting. 5. Repurpose stills into blog. If your live video is more than just a talking head, then consider taking screenshots throughout the video and using them to illustrate a blog post. Bonus points if you then embed the full video too, and collect all that lovely viewer data. 6. Repurpose stills into SlideShare. So, give yourself a bit of a break. Take the stills you created, and use them to create a new deck in SlideShare. Facebook Live videos offer excellent repurposing opportunities that you can quickly plug into other social media marketing channels. Live videos are ready and waiting to expand your reach and grow your audience even more. Video number 15. Top 5 Facebook Live video metrics that marketers need to know. Facebook offers a wide array of metrics to measure the success of your live video and on-demand videos. Let's focus on 5 that are especially useful, plus how they can help you optimize your live streaming strategy. Brands can access reporting for each live video through the Page Insights section and the video library of their Facebook page. Once you click on the title of a video, a pop-up box will appear with all the metrics pertaining to that video. 1. Peak live viewers. This is the highest number of viewers who watched the video while it was live. Facebook also provides a graph that shows the total number of viewers during each moment of the live video broadcast. 1. Peak live video viewers. It can help you understand what part of your content was most compelling for viewers and how long you held their attention before they got restless. If your viewer count tends to peak around the same time during all of your broadcasts, you can also assume that this is when your live content is most visible in your audience's feeds. 2. Video views. It is the total number of people who watched 3 seconds or more of your video. Additionally, Facebook also provides a graph that shows video views on a daily basis. It shows data for every third day, July 5th, July 8th, July 11th, and so on. This metric is most useful to see how many people have watched your video since it was published and how the daily volume of viewers has shifted over time. 3. Average percent completion. If you click on this metric, you can drill down to see audience retention, a visual representation of views of the video at each moment as a percentage of all views. When considered alongside peak live viewers, the average percent completion graph is helpful for understanding how engaged your audience is with your content throughout your broadcast. 4. Video engagement by reaction type. Under the Video Engagement tab, you can see the magnitude of reactions from each point in your video, including a view for the 6 possible reactions lumped together or a filtered view for each reaction type. 5. Top audience and top location. Top audience tells you the gender and age range of the majority of your live video viewers, and top location reveals where viewers were watching from. Tracking the performance of your Facebook Live video through metrics, and developing a data-driven strategy for future videos, is one of the most important things you can do to attract followers for your brand, boost engagement, and get your customers to take action.